this video, we will outline how to use the offline mode feature on Knowledge Exchange. You must be logged on to use offline mode on Knowledge Exchange. Select My Account on the top right corner of the page. Select Offline Settings from the drop-down menu. If the offline extension has not been installed on your browser, select Install under the installation menu. The installation may take a few moments. When installed, collections can be saved to your browser and viewed when offline. The switch to offline setting is now available under the My Account menu. Any collections that have been made available offline will appear here. To make a collection available offline, return to Online Mode and navigate to Collections, under the My Library menu. Select the available offline checkbox for each required collection. To ensure that the latest revision of each document is always available in your offline collection, select the Keep Up to Date checkbox under each collection. Your collection is now available in offline mode.